Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. Today's video is going to be real short. It's basically an announcement to let you know that we're doing a live stream with Two Brothers Outdoors tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern time. There'll be a link on our YouTube channel by the time this comes out. This month's topic is American made. I think we have a special guest from Hudson Forest Products that's going to be on. But as usual, we cover a lot of things related to sawmilling, woodworking, whatever's going on. A couple hours of us just doing a round table. We invite you to join in the comments section. We'll try to get to all the questions that come in while we're talking about other things. But I've come to kind of enjoy doing it. It's nice to meet different sawyers from across the country. Two Brothers Outdoors are upstate New York. I got I'm going to chew up some names here. Tim from Mississippi. And then, of course, Craig Kilter from out in Utah. Tim from, I'm sorry, Tim, I can't remember where you live. Up in cold country. That's all cold country to me. A couple from Indiana, and occasionally have a guy out of Tennessee on. So it's nice to hear how things are going in the sawmill business, not industrial, but down here where real people live, all across the country. Different things that they're getting into, different things that they saw. I saw things here in the South that my buddy out in Utah, he couldn't even imagine doing because it's different climate, different market, different trees. As far as I know, I don't think he's ever sawed a hardwood.
We need to get him out here one day.
Yeah, his big thing out there is ponderosa pine, spruce, stuff like that. But every market's different. Even the guys up in the northern areas, they saw a lot of similar woods, but even their maple is not necessarily exactly the same maple as we have here. Same thing with their oaks. So I enjoy that part of it. If you're interested at all, come join in. We'll be there for probably about 2 hours. Lots of different topics. I'm looking forward to talking to the guy from Hudson, learn some more about the products that they bring to market. I think they're supposed to have Jack Beckwith on in a few months. He's a big rep with Wood Mizer. We're Wood Mizer people. We enjoy our Wood Mizer stuff. Not against the other brands. I've just never run the other brands. I'd like to see a Baker up close one day. I know a lot of guys who run the Woodland Mills. I've never had my hands on. I've had Wood Mizer, enjoy what I got, enjoy what I know, but also, it's nice to look at other things along the way. What do you think, Matthew? Oh, Lord, we just moved a pile of logs this morning. We spent 30 minutes cleaning up what was delivered yesterday. One of my locals graders, he got on a big job. He hauled one load day before yesterday, and then he hauled 3 more big loads yesterday. Some beautiful white pine and some rainbow poplar. You'll be seeing that on the channel eventually.
Somebody turned into an even older man this morning.
Yeah, I had a birthday this week. Turned a year older. That's a good thing. No complaints about that.
Mordecai turned a year old.
Yep, Mordecai had a birthday. His birthday's 3 days before mine, but so I can remember his. I don't have to put it on the calendar. And then Matthew's got an announcement this week.
Yeah. I don't have a shirt. I wish I brought it down here with me, but Caitlin and I are expecting a new kid in April. No, we don't know what it is yet before y'all even ask. But we're just happy and amazed that we're allowed to have another one.
So there's your update. Caitlin's pregnant again, so Mordecai will be a big brother in about 6 months?
Yeah,
about 6 months. So, yeah, there's something in the water. Don't be drinking it. But I'm overjoyed. That'll be another grand youngin' for me. I raised 3 kids. 6 grandkids would be a whole lot easier. They can go home eventually. But that's a blessing. We're thankful. anything else we're missing here, Matthew? There's so much going on. We're pleased beyond measure with the amount of work we got. Didn't need to be. I was down a couple days this week, got sick, and that didn't help our productivity any. But the only good thing I can say about sick is I sat there and thinking about it last night. After you're sick for a couple days, you really appreciate what not being sick feels like. You know, because we all have aches and pains. But when you get to the bottom and you're to that point, you know, you feel like death warmed over, and then you get better. You're like, yeah, that elbow don't hurt as much, or that knee really don't bother me, considering the way I felt the other day. So I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying today a lot better than yesterday, and a whole lot more than the day before. So it's that time of year. Sickness is going to roll through. All I can tell you is take care of yourself, keep your vitamins up, and stay healthy. That's it for our update. Hope you join us here in a couple hours on the live stream. As always, we appreciate you watching, guys. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.